My experience with LRE has been great, really, right from the beginning. From the first call I made, they're very responsive, which, I look for. I took a lot of pride in what they were doing, and that resonated with me, gave me a lot of comfort. Pricing was reasonable, but more importantly, the quality of the work and the way they approach the work is really what stuck with me.
They answered all Suzanne's questions and concerns.
Yes.
And they went above and beyond.
Everybody, the whole team was fabulous. They worked above and beyond, answered my bazillion questions of why they did, what they did, how they did.
I would say my overall experience was excellent, completely professional and punctual. They got everything completed a lot quicker than I was expecting, and I think they really did care about getting the job done correct the first time. I wouldn't hesitate to use this company. Everyone was very honest and efficient, and I thought they made what was going to be a very stressful process extremely easy.
LRE's reputation is incredible, so when we had this come up, I just gave her the 3 letters right there and said call them.
And the whole team was just awesome. You're not used to that being done so eloquently.
Should be the first company you call. The entire experience from start to finish was it was 5-star. I couldn't ask for a better one.
They were just so friendly and were willing to make conversation with me and concerned that I was happy with everything they were doing. It was just really a positive experience, and they did such a good job. I wouldn't pick anybody else to do something like this. It's a big thing to have this done to your home. And if you're going to trust somebody, you need to trust LRE, because I can't imagine that there's anybody better in the business that's going to treat you right.
I really appreciated what they've done for me, and I appreciated the value that I got, because we don't have a lot of money to go around, and value really is important. So I really appreciated the value, and I would recommend LRE to anyone else.
I highly recommended LRE, and I highly recommend LRE to anyone that's having any issues whatsoever, any concerns, to have them come out, give you a free estimate. They're very honest and trustworthy, and you're not going to get a better, more reliable company.
It was fantastic, really, from start to finish. You go into something like this, you're a little apprehensive. When I find somebody good, I like to spread the word. And I say, hey, you're having such and such done, I've got the company for you. Honestly, you couldn't have a better experience.
My overall experience was nothing but pleasurable. Everybody I dealt with were great people, very good communicators. The work site was always managed and clean, and I would highly recommend LRE for anybody.
I'd say give you guys a call or an email. We're extremely pleased with it. And it was such an easy process. You guys left and it was like, wow, it should always be like this.
I would suggest make an appointment. The service, I think, has just been fantastic from the beginning to the end.
If you want to feel stable and comfortable in your home, this is the company I would recommend.